Hello YouTubers, welcome to site. I'm here with Dave from Bike4Health, and we love to get involved with Dave on construction and stuff, but anything to do with bikes and getting kids out there and all of what that lifestyle entails, we speak to this guy. So tell us a little bit about what's going on at the minute.
Cool. So, hi, my name's Dave from Bike for Health. We're at Benfield School today, and it's the start of what we call a bike hub. So, we're constructing a container with some seating area, a little bit of decking, some bikes hanging up inside, and hopefully in the future we'll have a pump track, purpose-built pump track here. And it's all about engaging with obviously the children at the school, but also the local community. Anything we can do to get more people on bikes.
Yeah, so we've been here at Benfield today, constructing a little bit of decking, making a hatch for the windows, so this community hub can really accelerate and hopefully develop into something that the community around can really use.
Yeah, and then an example to other schools what's possible with a little bit of land, a container, and some timber.
Simple as that.